Hello, welcome back to another video for Shopify marketing series. So in this video, I will show you how to add Facebook pixel in your Shopify store. It is required to add Facebook pixel in your Shopify store for tracking and other purposes for Facebook ads. So let's get started. So now I'm in my Shopify backend. So from here, I'm going to under that preference, and I can see the option called Facebook pixel. Okay, so here you can connect it. Okay, so there are two ways for connecting the Shopify pixel. I'll give you the first method now, and so this is automatic and which is easy for the normal people to do that. Okay, so just click on the setup Facebook. So when I just click on the setup Facebook, it will ask me to add the Facebook sales channel. Okay, just click on that and add the sales channel. There are a lot of uses for this Facebook channel in Shopify. We'll just try to come up with different videos for using this. Okay, so now I'm going to connect my account. Just click on connect and continue. Once I'm done, I can connect to my business manager, or I can just create a new business manager. Okay, now I'm going to create a new business manager. So this is the business manager, Shopify business manager. I just connect to that, and I'm just skipping this domain verification for now. I'll just create a separate video for that. So just skip it for now, and I can create a new page for testing purpose. So here I'm going to enter the page 9. Okay, this is an example. So in your case, you can connect your existing page. Okay, I have created this as an example. Okay, now I created and just refresh the page. Actually, if you're having a Facebook page, you have to use that for connecting. Okay, I have created a new page for showing you. Okay, so this is the online store which I have created now. Just click on connect, and I can just click to create the pixel. Okay, now the pixel is created. Just click on confirm. Okay, now this one is done. I can just go for creating the for creating the commercials for starting to sell in Facebook and Instagram. I can just click on create new commerce account, and I can just go. So I'm just going to do that now. Just click and just accept terms. So once I accept the terms, my Shopify Facebook shop is done. Okay, but it's not completed unless I verify the domain. Okay, so for now we just see how to add the pixel in your Shopify store. Okay, so now the pixel is already done. Okay, so this is how the Facebook pixel is created.